The temperature of a substance doesn't just affect the state that it's in, it can also affect the size of the substance itself. One phenomenon we observe with substances is when they're heated, they will increase in volume and length. So this topic is thermal expansion. If an object has an initial length L, then the length will increase by a delta L as the temperature changes by delta T. All metals have an alpha coefficient. It's called the coefficient of linear expansion, which tells you how large they would get depending on the temperature change. So if we take a look at this table here, it shows some expansion coefficients for some common metals. For example, aluminum is on there, copper, lead, steel. So some objects will grow larger than others, and the alpha determines how much they'll change. There are similar formulas for area expansion and volume expansion too. And a simple example of where this is used is in construction of roads and buildings. You have to allow for thermal expansion. And so expansion joints will be intentionally leaving a gap so that the object is able to expand without disastrous consequences.